It's Monday, June 26th. Last week of June. 4th of July is next Tuesday. What? Crazy. I wanted to touch base quickly today. I've got to get home and cook dinner for those young'uns that I'm babysitting for. So I'm not sure how many days I'll be making videos this week. You'll have to hang in there with me. Chrissy and I had a wonderful time in Chicago. Saw a lot of exciting ideas. Got some new independent yarn dyers. We're trying some new yarns that'll be coming in eventually. Some new bags, which is always exciting. Some books, which is new. Haven't had books in a while with lovely knitting patterns in them. So lots of great things on the way, lots of different bags. It'll be great. So hang in there with us. They will be coming drip by drip by drip, little by little by little. We did get our Toft reorder in with some new critters, so check that out. We have a big stock in the Toft crocheted critters world, so good for us. Quick mention of the summer camp for 8 to 12-year-olds the week in August. The July week is full. We have 2 slots left in August, and that is 5 different classes, one different class every day, and it's from 10 to 12, $150, and 2 slots left. All right. Don't forget about Ann Weaver. She's coming up in July. That is exciting as well. And I met her. I saw her. I've already met her. I know her, obviously, but I saw her in Chicago. She's very excited to come, and she's bringing her yarns and lots of models. So we can see all that on, I don't know if she'll set up on Saturday or Sunday, but that'll be great. That's the 5th and 6th, 2nd and 3rd. You can tell I haven't been focused on my calendar. Terrible. All right. I do not know when I will be back in here, but I will see you as soon as I can. Shop till you drop. Oh, guess what? Semi-annual clearance sale for the summer starts Wednesday. Don't miss it. Up to 75% off. And everything is 25% off. So selected yarns, not the whole store. All right. I'll see you soon.